Now that you've had a chance to try questions 3 and 4, I want you to take a look at the answers and your work. So in number 3, notice that we are jumping from 6 to 96 4 times. And we can set that up as 6 times x times x times x times x equal to 96. Rewriting that gives us 6x to the 4th. Then we can divide both sides by 6, and we get x to the 4th is equal to 16. And this is where that guess and check comes into play. So we're going to try some different numbers that when we raise them to the 4th power to see if we get 16. And as you guess and check, you should see that you get 2 raised to the 4th is 16 and negative 2. So both positive 2 and negative 2 both work. And then when we fill in our answers, we get 12, 24, and 48. And then the second part is the missing term that you identified the only answer. And our answer is no. Negative 2 we said also works. And so if we use negative 2, notice we've got 6 times negative 2. Now this is a negative 12. The 24 stays positive. Negative 12 times negative 2 is still 24. 24 times negative 2 will give us negative 48. And then negative 48 times negative 2 will still give us that positive 96. So notice the two that are changing are the negative 12 and the negative 48 from the positive ones above. Then if we take a look at question number 4, in question number 4, notice that we are jumping 5 times. So we're multiplying 5 times to get to that 972. If we write it in the simplest form, we get 4x to the 5th. So there's 5x's, 4x to the 5th equals 972. Then we're dividing this side and this side by 4. Dividing this side by 4 leaves us with just x to the 5th. Dividing 972 by 4 gives us a 243. And then we do our guess and check. And as you guess and check, you should find that x is equal to 3. And so if we fill in our numbers, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. 36 times 3 is 108. 108 times 3 is 324. And 324 times 3 would leave us with that 972. The second part then says, is the missing term that you identified the only answer? And then yes, it is this time. The only number that you can raise to the 5th power to get 243 is 3.